Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. MacMillan Point is a small coastal locality on the north shore of Prince Edward Island, situated east of Brackley Beach and not far from Charlottetown. It overlooks the Gulf of St. Lawrence and is surrounded by forests, farmland, and sandy coastline. The area is known for its quiet atmosphere and natural scenery, making it an appealing place for people seeking a peaceful coastal lifestyle away from larger towns. The permanent population of MacMillan Point is very small, with only a limited number of homes scattered throughout the area. Like many coastal communities on Prince Edward Island, the population increases during the summer as seasonal residents and visitors occupy cottages and vacation properties. Even during the busiest months, the community retains its relaxed and uncrowded character. Long before European settlement, the Mi'kmaq people traveled throughout Prince Edward Island using the island's rivers, forests, and coastline for transportation, fishing, hunting, and gathering. Their history on the island stretches back thousands of years, and their cultural connection to the land remains an important part of Prince Edward Island's heritage today. European settlement expanded across this part of the island during the late 1700s and early 1800s. Early settlers cleared forests to establish farms while coastal waters supported fishing and small-scale trade. Agriculture quickly became one of the region's most important industries, producing crops and livestock that continue to contribute to the provincial economy today. MacMillan Point lies close to Prince Edward Island National Park, established in 1937. The park protects a long stretch of dunes, beaches, wetlands, forests, and coastal ecosystems along the Gulf of St. Lawrence. These protected habitats provide nesting areas for shorebirds and support a wide variety of wildlife while helping preserve the island's distinctive coastal landscape for future generations. The coastline around MacMillan Point offers opportunities for walking, birdwatching, photography, kayaking, cycling, and enjoying the ocean views. Nearby beaches attract visitors during the warmer months with soft sand and relatively gentle waters. The surrounding forests and wetlands provide habitat for foxes, waterfowl, songbirds, and many native plant species that change with the seasons. Housing in the area consists mainly of detached homes, seasonal cottages, and a growing number of modern residences. Demand for coastal property has increased over recent years, particularly among retirees and buyers looking for vacation homes. Average home prices are generally between $500,000 and $700,000 Canadian dollars, while waterfront properties and newer custom-built homes can command substantially higher prices depending on their location and size. Today, MacMillan Point remains one of the quieter corners of Prince Edward Island's North Shore. Its scenic coastline, proximity to protected natural areas, and easy access to Charlottetown offer a combination of rural charm and modern convenience. Thanks for watching!